To my channel. Today I'm talking about a new token of cryptocurrency known as a extra TM. In this token you can buy it first stacking project with 90% security. Will you buy it and it give you a many profits in the future? Let's discuss about this token. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Before starting video, I request my all viewers please like the video and watch complete. In the app of the website you can see a extra logo and go to app. You can download the app of extra TM and you can see a three buttons. In the button you can see a home, about us, fake news, live chat and buy. In the portion about us you can content with a extra team, and in the down you can see a first stacking project with 90% security. Sounds like the metaverse. This is related to metaverse token. In the previous video I will explain a metaverse and a metaverse token. And in the down you can see what we did and anywhere are we now. Extra on Kanga exchange, ideas, research development, main contract development, strategic partnership, private sale investment rounds and hacken contract audit, public sales and pan swag cake tokens listing. And in the down you can see a roadmap for 2022 is coming. Token X stacking platform, LP stacking partnership, buyback and burn. NFT collection release launched, NFT launched, and team building, new exchange listening, Discord group and building. And in the down you can see extra is listed on coin market cap. And in the next you can see a secured token, it was never hacked. And in the down you can see extra has raised $1.05 million to $4.25 in total. Extra is listed on a coin Jacko, and in the next you can see extra listed on the coin market cap. And in the down you can see about extra. In this paragraph you can read all the information about extra token. Extra is simply the best DeFi stacking platform in the world that offers over 14.7 to 45.2% API. It is trustless, capital backed, secure, powerful, extremely profitable and easy to use, and you are in for a treat. The best feature of extra is the decentralized guarantee fund that secure up to 90% of your token purchase price. It will provide you a full security about your token. And in the journal you can see over 14.7 to 45.2% API, full decentralized DeFi stacking platform, safe and transparent. And in the down you can see a guarantee fund. This is the paragraph about the guarantee funds. Extra is truly revolutionary in its approach. It is decentralized guarantee funds is designed to compensate you for the drop in a token price. If the price of the extra token falls, the fund will automatically match up to 90% of the initial purchase price dream. This token will secure about a price decrease. It will give you a money about itself. There is a cash throw to stack, and the extra platform use will need extra tokens. And in the down you can see a check our apps. This is the apps of extra stacking app. You can download it and use in Android and iPhone. Extra stacking app is a state of the art, teach, powerful, secure and user friendly, built on the fastest, cheapest and most efficient blockchains available today. Binance Smart Chain, we worked with the world-class security expert to ensure it is hack resistant. Friendly and simple UX will allow you to smoothly navigate through. The inbuilt calculator will show you high and predictable return you can accept from stacking your extra tokens. Wanna check our app? Go ahead and play around with UX. You will need to connect your MetaMask and BCC Smart Chain testnet to connect. You can need to connect your wallets like MetaMask and BC Smart Chain to use this app. And in the down you can see how does the extra work. First, connect wallet, head over to extra platform and connect your wallet easy meta task. And in second you can see buy extra token, head over on Akanga exchange and pancake swap and build your crypto wallet with a brand new shiny extra token. And in third you can see stack it, forget it, do what you love. And in fourth you can see extract profit, collect your life changing money and make dreams come true. And in the down you can see why is the best option for you. The best return minus 14.7 to 45 2%. Let's face it, there are no better return out there. Crypto, oh no, not even close. Extra is the best, hands down. Fully decentralized. Extra is fully decentralized, making the platform truthworthy, truthless, and transparent. DeFi 2.0 Extra has groundbreaking, revolutionary lending funds. Welcome to DeFi 2.0. And in the down you can see a BCC account. Forget network congestion and high transaction fees. We are fast and built to last. We are running on BCS. And in the down you can see a no risk, relax, and guaranteed funds. Protect your investment, all banked by real capital. This is the portion of strong security about Extra TM, Poly Network, CoinCheck, KuCoin, and do not think so. We what take a security extra seriously and invest heavily in our security experts. Extra best DeFi project 221 and 222. Extra best DeFi crypto 2021 and 2022. And in the down you can see extra roadmap done. In the done portion you can see a base team creation, concept design and strategy, security initial funding and branding designing. And in the down you can see a website development and all other information. You can read it. I provide you a link in the description. And in the second you can see a in progress marketing and social media strategic partnership team development, NFT collection release, partnerships with analytics and influence, new exchange listing. And in the down you can see a to do. You can read all the information. I will provide you a link in the description. In the down you can see a supported chain and partners: Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Kangas Exchange, and Hacken and Tencent. And all these wallets connect with Extra TM. And in the down you can see extra office truth 1204 Tiffany Tower all time. This is the location of the Extra TM, our project. Fact white paper security edited by Hacken, and disclaimer term and condition joined to our team. The security of Extra TM is edited by the Hacken team. And in the down you can see a join to Extra community. You can see a Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And in the down you can see extra.funds 2021 are rightly saved. I will explain you a white paper of Extra token. In the Extra TM white paper you can see a white paper logo and table of contents. Extra granted fund, extra summary, white problem is extra solving, value proposition, extra token market figure, DeFi total TVL token mix and 505, and funding location 07, technology selection and launches 08, and community to transparency 09. I will provide you a link in the description. You can read it. One extra granted fund, and in the second you can see a extra summary, and in the down you can see what problem is extra solving, and in this fourth you can see a value proportion, and in the down you can see a extra token market figure, DeFi total TVL, and in the down you can see a token mix 1 billion extra speed rounds to be extra per sale 1.5 be extra per sale 2.5 1 be extra per sale including launch pads. Any unsold token will be burned 20 extra 20% and other alls. I will provide you a link in description. You can read it. Granted funds and all this information about our token mix and a token of extra about capitalization and others. You can read it. And today for good buying I say please subscribe my channel and also press the bell. So for today goodbye. I'm saying goodbye. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Take care and goodbye.